Hello, my dear loving granddaughter. Today I'm going to teach you some of the important mantras. Listen, learn, and recite every day. Let God's blessing with you forever. Sri Ganesha Mantra. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Second, I'm going to recite Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Now Guru Mantra. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri